kayaking around the bay.
We are paddling down the
Halong Bay.
Oh yeah. And look at you paddle.
I know, I'm doing all the work and Sam's just there for the ride.
Exactly. You paddle, girl, you go. So one of the coolest things out here by far are the floating villages.
Survived our kayaking experience in Halong Bay.
Almost crashed into the cliff.
Yes, it was kind of scary. It's a bit stressful, especially because whenever the big boats, the junks, go past, they create these little waves, and like the kayaks.
And you have to get out of the way of the junk too. That's a bit stressful.
Yeah, but it was fun.
Yeah.
It was a fun way to see the bay.